up? And today, guess what we're gonna be doing? We're gonna be playing with slime, new slime. I've been already playing with it. What's this? You guys don't think that I farted. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? What? Did you hear that? Okay, that's so funny. Here is the bottom. And I don't mean like the bottom. The bottom. The butt, but this is the bottom. This is the bottom.
This is the butt.
Wait, button, I mean butt. Bottom.
Which?
Wait. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so it's not just me and my slime and this. We have a visitor. Come here. What's your name?
Michael Anthony Aristides. I love to fart. I love fart stuff.
And
I love slime.
He been working to make slime. One day we tried, it did not work. One day we tried again in Australia. We live in Australia, and it did work. We had ovens. Wait, did it?
It was from the store.
Oh, okay. So we made purple slime one day with our friend Gracie, and it did work. So did work and did not work. So yep, let's have a customer have a try.
Did not work.
Okay, has to try and be in here. Here, we might have to lift it up again. Does it only work with me? Oh, try this part. That was a big fart.
That was a good
Oh look, this is like a tower. Okay. It can even make you say. You guys should be laughing right now. You guys should be like. It's so funny. I can't even like. You guys cannot.
I'm gonna go and put a shirt on.
It's so fun to play with. Our customer's gonna be back. He's not gonna be. I can't believe it. This is like magic. Oh, that was just a box. Oh look, that part's coming up. Then we just press here. Oh. So if you know what this is, click on the comments. I'll give you something. If you do not have this, click on the comments. I'll give you one of these. I'll buy it. There was lots and lots of orange one. This was the only pink one. So I wanted to buy this. So yep. You can do it in the next video. Okay, so we are just about to stop this video. All I want to tell you is Rainbow Pop Kids are awesome. Wait, did I say Rainbow Pop Kids? Rainbow Pop is awesome. We'll all the time have videos after the week, I think. And every time, most of the times, we'll have visitors, which is going to be him. And he'll be here only on the funny videos, right?
Yeah.
The farty videos. So, and the spitting videos, the slimy videos. So, yep, it's nice to meet you. I love you. Bye.